Even though it's windy, I would do a little bit more talking, but my neighbors are working outside. I feel dumb talking to myself over here. Hey everybody, it's Brad here on Nelson Ridge Farm. Sorry about the wind. Welcome to all of our old friends, and if you're here for the first time, welcome to our new friends. We appreciate you coming by. Hey, I got an order today for 13 bundles. We got a buy 12, get one free Baker's Dozen special, which is by far our most popular order that we get around here. Almost everybody orders 13 bundles. Somebody else in Nashville was doing that, so I sort of copied them, and it's an amazing takeoff. So we got 13 bundles. The good thing about this bundle is the thing I figured out was it puts us over the top of paying off or the bundler paying for itself. So we spent $1,350 on the bundler, and this will put us over that, plus actually a little bit more. I've already had to buy plastic wrap, so this pays for the plastic wrap we bought, the labels that we got made, and the bundler itself. So hey, we are in the green. Is that how you say it? We're out of the red or the black, something, I don't know. Yeah, I've been working for the government for 30 years, so I don't really know anything about profit and loss, but we're on the good side of this bundler now. So I'm going to make quick 13 bundles this time. I know it's an order for 13, and we'll do delivery. Thank y'all for watching. I mean, super windy, so sorry. I do have one dry stack covered up. It's been raining and snowing, so it's dry now. And if you've seen some of the other videos, I'm working on some of these piles. But today we're gonna uncover the old John's Welding hand crank bundler and get after it. Even though it's windy, I would do a little bit more talking, but my neighbors are working outside. I feel dumb talking to myself over here. All right, we're gonna do an ammunition change right out of the plastic wrap. I'll show you how to do that. This is it came with one. I've already used two, so this is my third refill that I bought, so the fourth one total. It'll take a minute to dial back in the tension, but let me show you. Easy to change here. One, two, three, four. I can see four. It's on the fifth thread. That might help me remember how tight to start it out with. Although it won't be exactly right because that thickness changes what I need for tension. Sort of a locking nut on the outside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 showing there. The spring. Washer with grease on it. Big thing that holds your tube. That's the technical name for it. Could be that way. Pop it on there. grease it, but it's been doing all right. It's got grease there. I'm not sure why they do it. All right, spring. Showing, 8 showing, 9 showing. Of course, I didn't bring my glasses. I didn't know I was doing all this work. All right, so the tip I got is we'll wrap one. We'll get one bundled and wrapped, or ready to wrap, and then I will wrap it. I'll tighten it up the tension until it breaks, and then I'll back it off a quarter turn. So it'll take me a minute to get that dialed in, a bundle or two. See how we do. Sorry about that sun. It's the worst sun for right now. I should have come up here this morning. Hey, let me show you one more thing. I cut all this cherry too short. It's about 15 inches, whatever. But you can adjust this. You're looking straight up now. So this bar goes in and out, so it can handle a little bit shorter or longer, whatever you need. So I'm gonna make that adjustment right now and just show you how this thing adjusts a little bit. I don't think I've ever done this. I only got 1 wrench with me. So we'll do it with the big one. Loosen that a little bit. Loosen the other side. Same way. Can y'all watch this? Yep, I'm gonna go in an inch or so. And that'll just help me on the smaller ones. That lines up better right there. Just tighten up one. All right, so a couple things now. We got to make sure our tension's good, and we got to make sure the plastic now clears this side of the bar over here that I'm moving to. That doesn't feel very tight. You give her a lap. Not tight. Too tight. Sorry, that's not moving. All right. Take this off. That's a whole half turn. Get the half turn, anything, because that's pretty far off. Fill this bundle. See how tight it is. I can live with that. Nope. Feel it shifting there. Go 1/4 turn the other way. Yeah, that works. Oh, it already feels better. Look. All right, 13 for sure. All cherry, 100% cherry. Going on our delivery. On the way to the delivery. We appreciate everybody watching here on I-40, going towards Nashville, exit 172. We live on the exit closer to Nashville. I'm sorry, to Memphis, 163. But I'll get off here, make a delivery, and hopefully see y'all next time on Nelson Ridge Farm. Please remember to go back and watch that daddy-daughter Firewood stack off, and we will do a random drawing if you subscribe and leave a comment on there. The first day we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a random drawing on there. So I appreciate everybody watching. Thank y'all very much, and I'll see you next time.